Turns out that a Tesla element could have a disturbing planned blemish that increments carbon dioxide levels for travelers. In light of a limited-time cut posted by Tesla on Sunday, one client said the organization's distribution highlight, which utilizes air currently in the lodge, causes spikes in carbon dioxide levels and had even given him cerebral pains. The client shared a diagram he made in 2020 utilizing carbon dioxide level information he said he had accumulated from inside his Tesla. Note that when distribution is on in Teslas, the surrounding CO2 focus in the air spikes to very undeniable levels. I used to get migraines on travels, however with O-Recirc I don't, the analyst composed. It was sufficient to get Tesla's CEO Elon Musk's consideration, who answered the protest himself. "We will investigate this and change," Musk said yesterday. "As a rule, I'd advise against utilizing Recirc, as the reach advantage is little. Measuring what's going with Tesla these days is somewhat hard. Investors are perturbed that Musk has invested such a lot of energy and public consideration on a now mishandled bargain for the extremely rich person to purchase the sum of Twitter, and simply last week he declared that Tesla was stopping employing in view of a terrible inclination, before confusingly switching course. Presently, Musk is telling clients a key proficiency highlight isn't worthwhile and could really be unsafe.